teach me, baby. Turn around and teach me, baby. You got what I want, what I need, baby. Let me hear you say. Yes, you know who I am? Jessica Rabbit. Y'all know who that is? That's what I'm feeling like with this hair. Yes. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nye, and for today's video, we have a wig review on this wig that was sent to me by DIVATRESS. It is from the Red Carpet Premiere line, and it's a full lace frontal. It's in the style Chardonnay. It's actually called RCF602 Chardonnay, but don't nobody got time for all that. I got it in the color Mahogany Brown. And let me just tell y'all before I even start the video off, like, I am sick, so if you guys see me coughing or any of that, it's because I'm sick. And yeah, I want to get these videos out for you guys, but I have like 5 wig reviews to do and I can't wait any longer. So anyways, I already took it out the pack. I took off the what is it called, the stock card, and I took off all the net and all that it comes with. But this is the color. I really like the color. I haven't had a burgundy wig this deep burgundy, and I also like that it's like a little bit of blonde inside of the burgundy. Like you see the strand right here, it's like blonde, so it's like a mix. So I guess that's the mahogany brown part of it. But anyways, I also like how this lace is Swiss lace, so if I feel like it's gonna blend very well. I'll probably have to blend my baby hairs with it. I did this before I even tried on the wig because I didn't know what it was gonna look like, but whatever. So this wig, it does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps. So let me try to fix it up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna try it on before I fix anything because I don't want to fuck it up. So let's see what it looks like with the lace. Okay, so just to let y'all know, y'all see how see-through this lace is? This shit is really good. Like, I could have covered all my baby hairs. I left my baby hairs out thinking that the wig was not going to be that good, but it actually is a very see-through type of no clocking. There's no clocking for this wig because this looks like a natural hair, like a natural scalp. But for the video, I'm gonna have my baby hairs out. I'm not really gonna lay it down like if I'm gonna wear it out because I am gonna do a couple other wig reviews today, but I'll try to style it for you guys so that you can see what I would wear it as if I was going out. Okay, so let me just tell y'all, I feel like it's not that much of a big head friendly wig. Why? Because I don't have my hair braided down. I have it like in a ponytail and then I flipped it up, and I have 2 wig caps on, so my hair is snug. And right now I feel like it's really tight. So if you have a bigger head, like, I don't know if it'll fit you. You'll probably have to braid your hair down. But anyways, yeah, so let me cut the lace and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with the lace cut. So it does have baby hairs, as you can see. I haven't laid them down yet because I want to style this on camera. But I did pull down my wig cap a little bit so that you couldn't see my brown baby hairs, like my actual baby hairs. But I was trying to get the comb to go under my wig cap, and you actually can't. Like, if you do it on this side, then you won't be able to do it on this side. And so that's why I feel like it's not a big head friendly wig, because you should be able to do it on both sides without it being an issue. But we're gonna try our best to style this wig for you. I'll probably, the next time that I wear it, I'll probably do the wig cap method. Okay, so this is the final look. I decided to go with a side part, even though I said I was gonna go with the middle part, just because I feel like it blends with the baby hairs better than the middle part, but to each his own. So with this wig right now, I do see a little bit of shedding. I haven't plucked anything, but just combing through the actual curls, there is a little bit minor shedding, not too much, but you probably will get shedding eventually. See, yeah, so there's still more hairs coming out, so there is like a little bit of shedding, but again, it is a synthetic wig, so I can't complain about that. I do love the curl pattern. I love the color. It is pretty long. It's, I would say, about 24, 26. Let me just stand up so you can see. So I am 5'3", and this is where it hits me, so right about at my waist. So this is the end of the video, and if you guys enjoyed this review, I would love if you guys can like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Let me know if this is a wig that you would buy. Let me know any recommendations on other wigs you'd like me to review. If you think this wig looks good on me, let me know, be honest, and I'll see you guys in the next one.